Hi guys, it's Daniel here from Paint Access, Sydney, Australia. Guys, we're trying to bring more value to your business, to your jobs, and save you a little bit of time and money. I'm going to talk about this video how to replace pump on Ultra and Ultra Max. Now, for the Ultra Max, replacement pump is 17P187. For Ultra, it's 17P186. Now, we'll start disassembling. For Ultra, you just need the Phillips screwdriver and pretty much it for now. Let's do it. So basically, make sure that your position, you release all the pressure, turning this knob into the pump position. Then with obviously taking the tip guard, taking the battery out, taking cap, filter. On this knob we have a screw on the side. Just releasing it, putting on the side, and from I think it's around 7 screws we have all around. Yeah, look, this Ultra is in kind of a clean condition, so it shouldn't be really stuck, these two parts. So sometimes it's just get a little bit sticky. Hopefully this one won't be that sticky. Yep, that's it. So we got cover out. We have our engine and we have our pump. So main difference between Ultra and Ultra Max. Ultra Max gives, because it's a brushless motor, it's got a grinding wire sticking out. So to unhook, you just need to adjustable spanner and then just use your screwdriver to undo it. Now we're pretty much ready to take it out. So it's pretty simple. It just sit really like in a saddle. So you just need to pull it up. Yep, done. So this one is out. Okay guys, now I've got my favorite equip knife. So we just want to make sure that it's a 186, that's for the Ultra. It's got instruction manual. It's got 3 knobs and 2 screws. That's the pump. Let's put some clean wrap. Yep, so that's the pump. We're using also Ultra Grime, very nice wipes. It's like your grease and everything, paint. So it's very important here. So we are not really, it's a seals inside. We don't want to take the seals out from a cylinders. So it's really important not to spin the wheel at all. So we're cutting this plastic really carefully. This is our pump. Pretty much ready to go. So we just need to drop it really exactly where it was. Push it down and this yellow plastic should really come up. That's it. So guys, it's clicked. So now we're ready to remove this. We just want to make sure that it's in place. So we're just popping this out and it's gone. So it's in 100%. Now we are ready to assemble. So again, really important not to rotate this, because seals can pop out from these cylinders. We'll just do all around one more time, just to make sure it's all, we didn't miss anything. Great. Now it's pretty much ready to go. Using our brand new turning knob with a brand new screw. Make sure that we're in the right position. Cool, ready to go. So assembling everything back. It should be on this side. Tip guard. And we'll be ready to test in a second. Guys, pretty much is assembled, ready to test with the water. Everything back. We make sure screws are pretty much tight. Everything ready to go. It works now. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, direct message to Paint Access. Thank you, everyone.